Hey, y'all.
Okay, now, ooh, this is the brisket.
Watch this, look. The brisket just... Ooh.
Yeah, look at that fat.
There you go. You want that one?
Oh my God.
As long as she stay by my side like a queen, she gon' hold the crown. If you didn't know it, you know it now. That's how we hold it down.
Hold it down. Ride or die, I'm gon' always be around. We gon' hold it down.
All right, y'all. We are back at home from Smoke-A-Holics because they ain't got nowhere to sit down. But
Yeah.
we ain't talking about all that. It's about the food. Okay, so we're gonna show y'all what we got. So we got the 3 meat plate, and ooh,
Look at that. Hold on. Ooh.
oh snap! Ooh,
We
that
got
chicken.
brisket,
Yep.
chicken, and pork belly burnt ends.
That looks scrumptious.
That's brisket with the bone.
And then we also got the smoked macaroni and cheese. What is it called? Like a
Big Mac bowl.
Yep.
And there's brisket on top of macaroni.
Yes, that looks so good. Then we also got, this is what I was so excited to see and to taste, was
It
the
was the loaded. They got loaded
cornbread
cornbread.
bowl.
Loaded cornbread, girl. It's got brisket, baked beans, cheese, and green onions, and then
I'm so ready
you
for
can
that.
put you some sour cream on.
I am. And then what was that right
Oh, and then this is jalapeno cheddar sausage.
Ooh, y'all, it's about to go down.
Say it.
That's what I was like. I was so mad at when they were to sit down because I was ready to eat.
Man.
Like,
and then
we
this
about-
is potato salad.
Potato salad. Oh yeah, and only on Saturdays they
They
have
have greens.
greens. So we're gonna taste it out. We're gonna let y'all know how it is. You know I'm about to put some sour cream on it. So let's go ahead and taste it out. Get that fork open. What you gonna take? What you gonna
Oh
taste
yeah,
this
we got
one first?
banana pudding.
Oh my gosh. And
This is what they this their own thing is Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola cake. Yes. I'm so ready for that one. Alright. So we both gonna dig into this one real quick. Okay. Let's see.
This is the loaded cornbread.
Loaded cornbread. Ooh. Okay. Is that beef? Dang, that's good. Ooh.
Boy,
I love that. That's
I'm gonna tell y'all one thing. Cousins and cultures, if y'all listening, Smoke-A-Holics is on your ass. Cause that is the bomb.
Nowhere don't compare. Okay.
All right, now we got this is the Big Mac bowl with brisket on top of the macaroni.
Macaroni and cheese.
Let's see what this is like. Oh, that sauce. That's
I know. I like that one. That's mine too.
What's going on?
You can have that over there. I'm not really a sausage person,
Yeah, we gonna.
but and it's jalapeno. I don't like hot stuff, so if I'm
It
choking,
ain't hot.
well, we'll see. Okay.
Let me tell that's homemade.
It just bursted.
The cheese. Say they is not playing no games. This is the boy. What?
Dang.
Damn.
Smoke-A-Holics. Who your owner? Because I need a life supply of different sausage by itself.
Hey.
Hold on, moving too fast. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Let's take the side. Let's take the green real quick.
Oh, man.
Oh, this is real. That ain't no good greens.
I guess I'll try.
Those are good. Oh my gosh.
What?
Those are mine too. Okay.
I got my own. So you can have that one.
Oh, we're probably taste out. Okay, one more side.
Yeah.
We're just doing a quick review. We don't try to last too long,
So
y'all.
we trying to eat.
We trying to eat. Okay. Hold on. Greens on my mouth. Hold on. No, that's good.
I have not. That's that country family reunion.
Family reunion potato salad, that it be gone.
But you ain't gonna get in the you gonna get that when you go to the family reunion in the summer.
And you gotta get in line quick, because it's gonna be gone.
Hey, y'all.
Okay, now, ooh, this is the brisket. This
Watch
is
this, look. That brisket just... Ooh.
Yeah, look at that fat.
There you go. You want that one?
Oh my god. Okay. Now I should have just got brisket. I could eat that all day. That was good, y'all.
That is bomb.
That was real good. And they give you a little bread to go with it.
I'm gonna try these.
The burnt end
The
belly.
burnt belly. I ain't never had this before.
Burnt end belly. How is the bread even the bomb? No. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna do the chicken.
Yeah, I'll let you take the chicken.
I'm gonna get a little piece right here. Ooh, the skin. Ooh, it's juicy. Ooh.
Okay.
That chicken a bomb too.
It is.
Taste it.
Okay.
Taste that bread.
Fine. Right. If you're in Fort Worth, you want some barbecue, Smoke-A-Holics.
Don't even go to real. Smoke-A-Holics.
It's real small too, but say that'd be the best place to look at. See.
Okay, we're gonna finish this up. Well, first, let's go ahead and taste the cake for you. You can mess up all my taste buds.
No.
But we gotta do it for them, you know.
You ain't gonna want to eat after you taste that. You gonna want to eat the cake.
Alright, yeah. Look at that.
Oh, that smells good.
I
Damn.
know. I'm gonna get a little piece because I'm ready to eat food. Okay.
I'm gonna taste this banana pudding. This is my favorite dessert right here.
That reminds me of that school cake.
That's what it smells like. Taste that.
Oh, I can smell that's real. Oh, I can smell that.
This is.
Oh, that's what it is too. I like that cake better, but.
Good. I'm glad you do. That is mine.
Alright, y'all. But like you said, if y'all in Fort Worth and you want some barbecue, Smoke-A-Holics is where it's at.
Man, my lips are greasy
Oh,
from
no,
the
right.
brisket. Nah, but try Smoke-A-Holics. Everything is fantastic.
We'll put the address in the description. So, thank y'all for tuning in. Please like, subscribe if you want to go see us eat somewhere else. But until next time, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert, we will see y'all later.
Peace.